Hi guys, I'm showing you a new plugin from Excite Audio. It's called Vocal Edit, and actually it is the second one because first they released Vocal Ether and both are used in this project. Let me show you the second one. So I use it for some breathy vocals. This project actually comes from one of my students. I'm mixing it for him. He's called Erwin Russell. I will write the details in the description. Let me just show you the project first. And the second plugin. So there are some beautiful vocal snippets automatically aligned with tempo and the key of your track, so it works really great. Let's just jump right into it. So as you can see, each plugin gives you access to lots of presets with lots of categories, and there are really lots of them here, as you can see. So basically, you can use keyboard to launch samples and black keys to, slow them down or speed them up. And as you can see, they can be automatically adjusted to a chosen key and to the tempo of your project in the DAW. So once you've got the samples right, you can just record them, or you can use pre-programmed phrases A, B, C, D, and E. But of course, it's more creative to record your own, like this. You also have got very nice macros here. There is a glue, there is a fuzz, some metallic effect, and a doubler. And if you want to make one snippet, quieter, you can just go here, you can shorten it, change the format, pitch it, change the panning, and also change the mode it is played, and also, review effect settings. So there's a lots of things you can do. If you don't like the sound, you can really tweak it to your liking. There are a few hidden things here, and also you can randomize sounds and settings here. So if you don't like the reverb, you can go either here or go here and just cut it. As you can see, we are still in G minor, and I can also switch to F major. So there are plenty of things you can do here, and of course there are lots of presets. Let's change to G minor again. Very cool. Well, if you go here, you can actually see what kind of samples are being used by particular key, and you can just drag and drop samples.
Passion, ska, passion, passion.
And do it like this. And you can also drag whole sets here. But the more creative way is to choose a preset that has nice you know, settings here and then go here. And then change the samples. Nice. One last example. This one actually uses 2 instances of Vocal Ether. And this is kind of my drum and bass track. Maybe I will finish it someday. It sounds like this. And I also promised you that I'm going to tell you why I love Excite Audio so much. I love them because of this. These are the best meters I ever tested. They are called Vision 4X. Just make sure don't buy the essential light version or whatever it is called, because it doesn't have the most important feature of those spectrum guides. It really helps, it looks beautiful, and I use it every day. Yeah. So let me just play some more track for you. So this track is actually called On Hold. So if you liked it, just subscribe to my channel. I might do more stuff like this. So, and maybe I should finish this track. I don't know.